I've worked with Ram pickups for over 4 decades. I've seen legendary models still running strong, and those that cost owners thousands in repairs. I recently spoke with retired Dodge engineers and veteran mechanics, and they all agree. There are only 4 specific Ram years worth every penny, and some are getting harder to find. Stick around because I'm revealing the most underrated year, the one nobody talks about, but could be the best purchase of your life. Let's start with 2002 and 2003 third generation. Here's something that'll surprise you. Under the hood, you've got the legendary Magnum V8 5.7 liter. A technician who worked 30 years on the Dodge assembly line told me that V8 was designed to reach 300,000 miles without major problems. The 4-speed automatic? Simple, robust, practically indestructible. No complicated electronics, no software failures. Pure mechanics you can fix yourself. Here's proof. An owner in Texas put 420,000 miles on a 2003 Ram with only the original engine. No rebuild. That's solid engineering. If you find a well-maintained 2002 to 2003 today, you're looking at one of the last truly simple and reliable pickups. Now pay attention. This period is disappearing fast, 2006 to 2008. These were the refined final years of third generation. The sweet spot when all problems were solved and reliability peaked. The 5.7 HEMI from these years is considered by many the best engine ever in a Ram. A senior engineer told me, "We designed this engine for owners who tow 10,000 pounds every weekend for 15 years. And it handles it without complaining." Here's the detail if you notice. These Rams don't have the chronic sensor problems that started in 2009. You save thousands on repairs. But finding an original 2006 to 2008, unmodified and well-documented, is getting harder. Smart owners are keeping theirs. Third period, and the year I'd personally buy if choosing only one, 2013 to 2014. Modern technology, but without excess electronics. Perfect balance. The 5.7 HEMI has VAVT bringing efficiency without losing horsepower. Fleet mechanics told me, "It's the most reliable transmission we've seen in a Ram." Here's the secret. 2013 to 2014 Rams have significantly lower failure rates than surrounding years. A fleet manager in Wyoming showed me records. Our 2013 to 2014 Rams average 180,000 miles before first serious repair. Other years? Half that. The interior is so well built it looks new even after 100,000 miles. No cracked panels or broken buttons. Finally, if you want modern technology without first-year problems, 2019 to 2020. Ram got everything right first try. HEMI with e-torque. Owners swear it saves 15 to 20% fuel in real use. The ZF 8-speed is considered the best transmission on the market. Ford and Chevrolet wanted it but couldn't get it. These Rams have half the warranty calls compared to 2021 to 2022 models. Dodge nailed the engineering. The optional air suspension? Owners driving 70,000 miles yearly told me, feels like a Cadillac with tractor strength. So here it is, 2002 to 2003, 2006 to 2008, 2013 to 2014, and 2019 to 2020. The only 4 periods worth your investment. Years with proven reliability, engines that last generations, and value that holds. But don't wait. Golden year Rams, especially 2006 to 2008, are disappearing. Smart owners hold on to theirs. If this opened your eyes, hit that like and subscribe to my Rams Garage. Next video reveals the 3 Ram years to avoid at all costs, years that drain your money on endless repairs. See you there.